Welcome to the section Implement Shopping Cart feature. This feature allows the customers to choose books on the website before placing an order. You see, when the customers visit our bookstore website and he views detail of a book here, and he can click the Add to Cart button here to put this book to the shopping cart. And if he wants to buy another book, he can view the detail and click the Add to Cart button. And he can click the hyperlink cart here to see all the books he has chosen before placing an order to buy the books. You see, this is an overview use case diagram of our application. All the use cases in cyan color are already invented, and the use cases in white color have not been implemented yet. And in this section, we are going to implement the managed shopping cart use case here for the customer. And this is a detailed use case